Hello, all, welcome to Coach START161. We are solving problem two cards. So in this problem, Alice and Bob are playing game, and in this game they have n cards, and n cards have two numbers written, one on front and one is back. So AI is the numbers that are written on the front of the cards, and BI is written on the back hand side. Now what Alice will choose exactly one card from n cards and she will remove it. So Alice is taking one card and now deck remains n minus 1 cards. Now Bob will choose greedily the maximum of the visible values that are given. So that is from the remaining n minus 1 cards. Whichever card has the maximum AI value on it, Bob will pick up that. And we need to tell, can Alice win this game or not? So Alice can win that if Alice chooses a card X and a maximum of AX and BX, that is the front and back, the maximum of those is greater than the maximum of front and back of the card that Bob chooses, and in that case she will win, otherwise she will lose. So we need to tell for t test cases we are given n, that is the number of cards, and front and back two arrays are given, and we have to tell whether Alice can win or not. So one thing very important here is that Bob will choose the available highest card. Okay, so what we can see, so what I'm doing here is I have taken the input, I have stored the input in my vector of pair A. I am taking these are unnecessary values, they're not of much of use. Only MA is of use here, that is maximum value among all the elements that I have. So what I will do, I am taking first for the front part, that is the front that are visibles, I am taking the maximum of all. Then I am taking the second, that is the face that is not visible. Again maximum will store all of the numbers that we have. Then I'm sorting the entire pair of vector. Now what I'll see, first I will see that my last element, because Bob will greedily choose it. So what if I choose any of the n minus card that is not the largest one? Okay, why not the largest one? That I'll check that if the maximum of the largest front and largest back, that whatever the maximum AI value I have, if maximum of that front value and the value that on its back is there, it is not equal to the MA. MA is the maximum of all the values. If it is not equal to MA, then my answer will be yes. Why so? Because I will choose a card that has maximum number both combined. I will check for every number, either AI and BI. I will look at whosoever is the maximum, I will pick that card. But what Bob will do, he will look for the final element, last element, because it is the largest one. And if the front and back is not equal to the MA, he will lose because Alice has chosen the number that has highest on it. So that is the one case when Alice is sure shot winning. Another case when Alice will sure shot lose is when the second element, like this is the case when my last element front back is not equal to maximum. But what if they are equal to maximum? Now another case can be I am taking that maximum only. Last element is the maximum, Alice has taken the maximum, but I have to check that the second last element, if the second last element matches the front and back combined, if maximum of those matches with the maximum element, again now Alice will lose. Why so? Because either she picks uh, by the algorithm, she picks any of the card, always he will have either of the last two cards remaining. So if even if she chooses one of those, one will be always equal for the Bob, and we have to make sure that she is winning. Even if it's a draw, she is not winning. So in that case it's it no. And for the rest of the cases no matter, because we have already taken care that when she's sure shot not winning, so that is the case we have done, and for the rest of the cases it will be yes. So yeah, that was all for this question, guys. If you like the video, if you understand it, give it a like. If you have any query, do comment it out, and do subscribe for more daily content. Thank you.